evening, children, and a warm welcome to all of you for GK class. So everyone be attentive and all. So I'm going to start with the lesson. Right, children? Be attentive and listen. So as you all know, the earth is our home. The earth is our home and all. And which planet life exists? That is earth. Right, children? Then let me tell you about the blanks and all. Let me teach you about the blanks and all. Okay? So जैसे the first one is the blanket of air which surrounds the earth from all sides. What is it? Atmosphere. Point number one. Then point number two. Physically, the earth is made up of how many layers? 3 layers. 3 main layers. Right, children? And the third point, the earth takes 24 hours to make one complete rotation around its axis. Right, children? And the fourth point is the mantle layer is called the middle layer is called the mantle, and the inner layer is called the core. So that means the innermost layer of the earth is known as mantle. Then the fifth point, the earth rotates. The earth dash about the meridional axis, which causes days and night. That is rotation. Right, children? The earth revolves around the sun in nearly a circular path called orbit. Then the seventh point, the earth's dash around the sun causes changes of season, that is revolution. That means when it takes one full round around the sun, then only the changes of season takes place and all. Then we have summer, winter, spring, autumn. These are the 4 seasons, the revolution of the earth. Then the seventh point is the 8th point is the great elevation on the earth's surface is called mountain. Which elevation is? That is the mountain on the earth. The earth takes about 365 days to complete one revolution around the sun. When the earth takes one full round the sun, then it takes at least 365 days. That means one full year. Then the 10th point is the outermost layer is called crust. The outermost layer of the earth is known as the crust. Right, children? Acha. Then the questions are, I'll read out the questions and all. Just see, be attentive and all. Whenever I read out the question and all. Which is our home? So the earth is our home. Right, children? Read the question. I'll be sending it in the campus care also. You can see there. Then in which planet life is found? The earth is our planet where life exists. Exist means where life is found. Okay, and now the second chapter is about the plastic pollution. As we know, when we burn the plastic and all, it gives a very pungent smell and all. We enable to even breathe also. So plastic is very dangerous for our health. Right, children? Okay. So which is our major environmental pollution in the world? That is plastic pollution. Which is the one, BT? The plastic. Which is our major environmental pollution in the world is the plastic pollution. Because plastic, when we burn the plastic, it pollutes the whole atmosphere. Spoiling the atmosphere, spoiling the air, spoiling the atmosphere of the air and all. Okay. And next one, which plastic is burned? What they infuse in the air? That is, it infuses toxic fumes. What infuses? The toxic fume. This is very harmful for our lungs. When we breathe, so our lungs are affected and all. Then the third question is, how do plastic bag kills animals? We know that plastic bag also kills animal. Why they kill? Because animals mistake plastic as food, so they die now. They think that plastic is their food, so they start chewing it. And within some months, yes, even one or 2 years and all, they die because plastic, they cannot digest the plastic. Right, children? And then the fourth question is, what is the product for using plastic bags. What I mean? We need petroleum, the product, to produce plastic bags and all. Petroleum product is used for making the plastic bags. Right, children? Actually, the fifth question is, how can we control plastic pollution? How can we control plastic pollution? First point is, we should use cloth and paper bags to avoid the plastic. Then second point, state government should make laws. That means it made laws that no one should use plastic bags for carrying their things, whatever they purchase from the shop or from the market. Okay. Then the third point, people should be aware about its harmful effects. What is the harmful effects? As I already told you, it will we are unable to breathe properly, and our lungs also can be affected when we burn the plastic and all. Then the sixth question is, which bags we should use and why? Which is the bags we should always use to avoid plastic and all? Cloth bag or paper bags, because it does not create plastic pollution. So we should use only cloth and paper bag. Okay, so that no plastic pollution is created when we use the cloth and cloth bags and paper bags and all. The sixth question is, how many years does a plastic decompose? How it dissolves with the earth and all? How it mixes with the earth? That means it takes about 1000 years to decompose. That means to mix up with the earth and all, with the earth, it takes at least 1000 years. So this much longer time it takes to decompose with the earth and all. Right, children? So I hope you have liked my class, you enjoyed my class and all. Okay? And my praise and blessings are always with you. Be careful and take care of yourself, and always be at home and all. Okay, and I will be giving everything on the campus and write everything whatever I have taught you should be written in your copy, and I will see it also. Right, children? My prayers and blessings are always you. May God bless you and help you always. That's all. Bye.